In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect applications to ChatGPT. So for example, right here I got these integrations. I have Photoshop, Booking, and AllTrails. And if you want to integrate applications into your ChatGPT, you just need to go to your profile picture, then Settings, and then click Apps, and click Add More right here at the top right. This will open this ChatGPT Marketplace where you can search for a lot of different applications. So we have Photoshop, Canva, we can even find Figma, TripAdvisor, and much more. So just click the application you want to connect, click there and click connect again. And now in some cases it will ask you to log into your account, or you can use without an account as well. So if you click there, it will connect Figma or the application you want to ChatGPT, and you can just start a new chat. You can click this plus icon, click more, and you will find all your integrations right here. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.